Hayden, can you show everyone how you lift your head up? Can you show them? Can you do it? Dang, I get the hiccups. Do it. Show them how strong you are. Look at that. You are getting so strong. I'm kicking my feet around. Look at you, buddy. Yeah. Oh. Come on. Show them how you do it. Yeah. Show them how you do it, buddy. You can do it. Come on. I kick my feet up like this. Oh. Push myself up. Come on, buddy. You're not gonna do it? No, I just got the hiccups. Look at that face. It is the cutest one in the world. Can you do it? Come on. I'm gonna get mad in a second. It's so frustrating because you can't turn over. It's okay. You'll learn eventually. Oh, say bye-bye, everybody. Tell everybody goodbye. Say see you later.